Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make these delicious lactose-free blueberry muffins. So we're going to start by mixing all our dry ingredients together. We're going to do 2.5 cups of flour. It's a half cup. And then we're going to do 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then we're gonna do 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and give that a good stir. And then we're gonna set this aside and move on to our wet ingredients. Okay, so for the wet ingredients, we're gonna add 1 cup of sugar. We're gonna add a 3/4 cup lactose-free milk. We're gonna add 1/4 cup of oil. And then we're gonna do 1/2 cup of lactose-free sour cream. And then we're gonna do 1/4 cup of lactose-free butter. We're gonna do it melted but slightly cooled. And lastly, we're gonna put in 2 eggs. I almost forgot, we are gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And that will be the last thing. Now we're gonna give this a good whisk. And now we're gonna pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. And then we're just gonna gently fold this in. Alright, now we're gonna do 1.5 cups of blueberries. You can either do fresh or frozen. Today I'm going to do frozen. And I'm just gonna pour them in this bowl. And with the frozen, I like to mix just a little bit of flour in with the blueberries so they will stick to the batter a little bit easier. Just do a little bit more. Just like that. That way they're not too wet and they'll stick to the batter. Alright, now we're gonna pour it into the mixture. And then we're gonna gently fold it in. Alright, now I'm going to use my cookie scoop and I'm going to fill the liners 3/4 of the way. And then after this, we are going to make the crumb topping. Okay, and then we're gonna set this aside for now. All right, so for the crumb topping, we're gonna do 4 tablespoons of flour. And then we're gonna do 4 tablespoons of sugar. And then lastly, we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of butter. All right, and I'm just gonna mix this with my pastry blender. If you don't have one, you can just use a fork. And we're just gonna mix this until it's combined and crummy. All right, now that the crumb mix is all mixed, should look like that. We're gonna add about a teaspoon on top of each of the muffins. Alright, we're going to bake this at 400 for about 17 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Alright, now that the muffins are done cooking, we're going to let it cool in the pan for 5 minutes and then we're going to transfer to a wire rack and let it cool completely. Alright, so the muffins are done cooling and they smell so good. Look at that. Perfect little muffin. So yummy. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching and have a good day.